Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we have completed with 14 blocks, isn't it, children? So, today we will start with 15th block, which is shape properties. Okay, so the properties of the shapes of different shapes we are going to learn, like circle, triangle, quadrilaterals. In quadrilaterals, you have rectangle, square, trapezium, parallelogram. So the properties of these shapes we are going to learn. Okay, so in that our first topic is triangle properties. So you are going to learn the properties of triangles. Okay, so in this the first one is list the different types of triangles. In that first one is equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle is the triangle in which you have all the three sides are equal. In a triangle, there are three sides, isn't it, children? So all three sides are equal, and also all three angles are also equal. Okay, so this is your triangle. So all three sides are equal. That means all three sides will be either 10 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 10, 15 centimeters, any any length, but all three will be the same. Okay, along with that, all the angles. Okay, so the angles also will be the same, which is 60 degrees. Okay, all the angles will be 60 degrees. Okay, that is equilateral triangle. Next you have isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle, length of two sides will be equal and the third side will be smaller or greater. Okay, and also two angles also will be equal, so like this. So this is an isosceles triangle where these two sides are equal and the other side is not equal, and the angles which are opposite to equal sides, these two angles will also be equal. Okay, children. So that is about isosceles triangle. Then you have a scalene triangle. So in the scalene triangle, all the sides, all the angles are different. If a triangle have different sides, different angles, then that triangle is called scalene triangle. Okay, you understood equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. Now you have a right angle triangle. Okay, so in this the triangle, one of the angle of the triangle is 90 degrees. Right angle is 90 degrees, isn't it, children? So one of the angle of the triangle will be 90 degrees. If it is 90 degrees, then that triangle is called a right angle triangle. Okay, so this is a triangle. So here you can find 90 degrees, isn't it, children? So this type of triangles are called right angled triangle. Okay, next you have a isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, so here one angle is 90 degrees, right angle. Isosceles means two sides will be equal. So this is the triangle where you can find the 90 degrees and two sides will be equal. Isosceles means two sides are equal, isn't it, children? So these two sides will be equal and the other side is called hypotenuse. Okay, these two sides, and the side which is opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. Okay, children. So these are the different types of triangles we have that we learn in triangle properties. Now please open your content book, children, to page number 97. Yes, so there you have set 1 triangle properties, isn't it, children? So there you can see the first question as name the given triangles. So the first triangle PQR, all three sides are 10 centimeters, isn't it, children? So all sides equal means equilateral triangle, isn't it, children? So write there equilateral triangle. Now next look at B. So one is 8 centimeters, one is 10 centimeters, and one is 4 centimeters. That means all the sides are different. That is scalene triangle. So write it down, scalene triangle. Okay. Next you have 7 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and 4 centimeters. That is two sides are equal, isn't it, children? When two sides are equal, it is called as isosceles triangle. So you have to write isosceles triangle. Okay, now in the second question, measure the angles of the given triangles. You know already how to measure the angles with the protractor, isn't it, children? So you'll place the protractor and find the angles, children. So find all three angles of all the triangles, which are three. Okay, you have A, B, C. Measure them and write it down. Okay, children. Next question. Draw a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle is all sides different, isn't it, children? Yes. So you have to draw a scalene triangle with the length of sides as 12 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 14 centimeters. So with this measurement, draw 12 centimeter, 6 centimeter one side and 14 centimeter the other side. Okay. So draw it in your classwork book, children. These two, third and fourth. First and second, do it in the textbook, content book only. Okay. List the similarities and differences between equilateral triangle, scalene triangle and isosceles triangle. So equilateral triangle, you have all sides equal and all angles equal. In a scalene triangle, all the sides and angles are different. Coming to isosceles triangle, two sides and two angles are equal. Okay, so you can mention this in your classwork. Otherwise, if you write these definitions in your classwork, that will be okay. Okay, children. So write these definitions in your classwork and do third sum in your classwork book. First and second, do it in your content book itself. Okay, so this is your classwork, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book, children. Volume book 2, page number 35, S1, triangle properties. Okay, so in the next class, we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.